Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
Well, just out on a little ride today, just to test a couple cameras out, see how that works. Move the center up a little bit so you can see a little more of the handlebars. Hoping that gives you a little bit better scenery. You know, I keep trying to improve our channel and our videos each time we go out riding. Hope you enjoy them. I enjoy doing it. I think it's a little hectic, but overall it's well worth it, I think. To promote riding and safe riding. Weather hasn't been cooperating with us too much. Last couple of weeks, a lot of rain and a lot of thunder. See how it works out. Like I said, I wanted to see how this sound works. Like I said, I tried to raise it up to get up over the handlebars a little bit more so you can see the scenery. Enjoy the great beauty that we see as we go riding. Coming into the little town of Amsterdam, Ohio.
silent. I gather my belongings and my clothes. starts to break, I start to sing to myself and gauge how I feel. I put my clothes on, and still more silence, more silence. Where's my water? Drink plenty of water. Be fluid, be one with water, be one with air. Preparing myself for the adventure, for the purpose of music, for the sound to grow within my belly. I am ready to start my day. I let my vocals carry me to the next moment.